Hello students, in this video we will study the last topic of your chapter 1 introduction. So the topic is opportunity cost. That what is opportunity cost? Okay. So it is the loss of an alternative due to selection of other, which simply means that there are more than one option. Okay, we are having two options or three options, and from these options we will select just one, the one which is the best for us. But the next best alternative that we have lost, okay, that will be known as opportunity cost. Understanding this with an example, we will see, suppose he is Mr. X, okay, and he has got two job offers. One offer is of rupees 50,000 salary, okay, and the second one is of rupees 30,000. So Mr. X, without even thinking for a second, he selected the first option, that he will get the salary of rupees 50,000. Now he has selected this option, but he was having one more alternative, and it was of rupees 30,000. So this alternative which he has lost, okay, this will be known as opportunity cost. From those two options, the one which is lost, this option or this alternative comes under opportunity cost. Understanding this with a graph, in this we will also cover what is marginal opportunity cost. Suppose there is a farmer and he is having limited resources. He is having a piece of land and a limited money with which he is growing rice also and wheat also. Currently he is having more production of rice because he thinks there is more demand of rice in the market. So he is producing 10 units. You can see here he is producing 10 units of rice and 8 units of wheat. Okay, currently he is producing 10 units of rice and 8 units of wheat. Here also I have written, but with the passage of time he saw that the demand of rice has fallen and the demand of wheat has increased. So with the demand he will now need to increase the production of wheat. Okay, so but he is having limited resources, limited money, and the piece of land will also be same. So now what will happen, that for increasing the production of wheat he will need to decrease the production of rice. So what will happen, students, that at present he was producing 8 units of wheat, but if we will increase the production of wheat to 10 units, okay, then we will see that the production of rice will fall down. Here also you can see that the rice production has come to 8 units from 10 units, okay, it has come down, and the production of wheat has increased. So he was having two options, rice and wheat, and from these two options he selected the option of wheat to increase. Okay, so now he is producing 10 units of wheat and 8 units of rice. So for producing 10 units of wheat he sacrificed 2 units of rice. He decreased 2 units of production of rice for increasing wheat production. So students, here what loss is there or what opportunity was there? He could have grown more rice also, but he did not select that option. So this decrease in the production of rice will be our opportunity cost. And what will be the MOC, marginal opportunity cost? Marginal opportunity cost will be 2 units. Why? Because here we are sacrificing 2 units of rice. Earlier it was 10 units, but now it is 8 units. So 2 units will be known as marginal opportunity cost. And what will be our opportunity cost? That will be our rice. Okay, production, less production of rice. So this was all about your opportunity cost, and now we have covered all the topics of chapter 1. Thank you, students.